All right. What up? Another day, another video. Y'all see what it is. Got the backpack on. About to go on an adventure today. We're gonna go to Sunday Funday today. Man, last night we burnt rubber in the car last night. A lot of this shit I didn't even get on video. Yeah, y'all, we spun the tires out last night. Yeah, man. Yeah, we was being some fools yesterday. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, y'all. Hell yeah. We was riding around, not in my truck though. We was riding around another truck. I was supposed to get it on video, but I was too fucked up already. And you know, it was good though. You know, go get some guy time and shit. You know, go spend time with folks down here, you know what I mean? I try to treat everybody the same way, you know what I mean? Regardless if you're a YouTube supporter or you not, you know what I mean? I do what I can as far as treating everybody the same way, linking up with folks, pulling up. Mind you, I started drinking from 12 o'clock in the afternoon, none but Bud Lights. Got to my girl side of the family, their house over there. They had Pacificos. I don't even remember how many of those I fucking drunk until, yeah. That was it. And then mind you, I had some alcohol shots. It was a tequila brand of alcohol, so I think I had like maybe 2 or 3 shots of that. That was just a night. I was just out of it already. Yeah, it is what it is, man. Like I said, don't make it the best out of nothing. You know, this past week, was one of those situations. I had a car emergency, then I had to do school shopping. I had to get a lot of prior. I had to pay some fat bills. I pay, like I said, I pay my car payment every month on time as much as I can. So I had to pay that this week. You know, I pay for these wheels and shit, car insurance, phone bills, etc. Then, you know, I'm pushing the SRT Mopar vehicle back for a couple more months. We may be moving out. And I may be getting a car for Uber Eats as well. I'm in the talks right now of trying to negotiate and trying to get some shit going already, so I can get back doing Uber Eats and making my extra $200 that I usually make on Saturdays and Sundays. You know, just to be honest with all y'all. So I'm in the works of trying to figure this shit out and everything, you know. One thing I learned as being a man so far is that we make shit happen, we gotta make it happen. So yeah, enjoy the video today. We're gonna be going to Sunday Funday, go get some clips out there. Mind you, I wasn't even gonna do anything today neither. Yesterday, like I said yesterday, it was just too fucking crazy. If I would've got that on camera, yeah, I know some haters would've, yeah, anyway. I didn't get that on camera yesterday, but today's a new day. And let's enjoy the rest of the Sunday. And yeah, catch you guys right now. Oh, this ain't nothing yet. Wait till they start filling up the middle of the street. Why ain't that packed out here? Barbecue. Oh shit, that's Pooh. That's Active Hood Rich. That's Pooh. Yeah, Active Hood Rich. Got another one. Shit. What the fuck? They got a Lowrider hearse? Look at that. What the fuck? They turned the hearse into a lowrider.
Must they use park?
Yeah.
What kind of parking?
Oh shit! If it ain't no parking around here, I ain't going to go all the way back by the gas station.
What's the go here? What's the that's all. Hey, you know the Chryslers or the Cadillacs CT what? The black one? What do you call it?
The CTSV?
Yeah.
Yeah, what about it?
That shit is cool.
Yeah, they're fast. Supercharged.
This should like go for 80,000.
They're expensive. Oh man. Old ass fool. Oh man, I thought he was gonna spin them out. Damn. Oh shit, yeah. Motherfucker almost ran us over.
You still get shot on. Silent shooter do walk throughs, he don't jump so.
Car club. Hey, they go a 300 SRT. What the? Look at that. That's a SRT 300. SRT 8.
still. Legendary roaring like Mike, like Will. 96 Impala, thug like four wheels. Up against the wall, squabble like five tails. Like a motherfucking boss, as we have our sale. Street nigga touching their first meal. Crying on my life. Sacrifice. Hustle, pay the price. One slice. Got to roll the dice. That's why all my life. I've been grinding all my life. All my life. Hustle, pay the price. One slice. Got to roll the dice. That's why all my life. Grinding all my life. Got everything I said I was gonna get.
Huh? I think a little. Oh, another one? Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, you ain't gonna step on it? Hey, look at that, that's a C8. Oh, here come the motorcycle. Huh? Yeah, it'd be random when they be coming out here burning rubber. What the fuck? Stand in the middle? Okay. Gotta go that way. Hey. I'm out of there. On YouTube? I don't know. He said not that much. Well, them not that much. Yeah. Huh? What up, Pooh?
What's going on? She look good driving that motherfucker. We go shitty. Look right now. Damn. Boy, she fast though. I put you back up a while ago. Yeah.
I've been watching you for a long time. Me and my older brother been watching you for a long time.
Thank you.
Since the G-Body days, with the blue G-Body days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Heck yeah. Oh yeah, y'all. I'm out here in Compton. Finally linked up with Pooh finally. Oh yeah, all the time. Make sure I go subscribe with her, Active Hood Rich.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Appreciate
The
it.
explicit stuff is on this channel.
I came out here wasting my motherfucking time. This shit going up.
Check this out. Got a Cadillac right here. Shit hard. Shit hard. Look at that. Still over here in Compton. It's fucking dead out here. No action today. No action today. Dang. I was hoping to get some burnouts on camera. Maybe we might get. Oh shit. Yeah, they ain't doing nothing. But anyway, y'all. Hit that like button, hit that share button. New to the channel, subscribe, all that YouTube shit. I keep repeating. This will be uploaded probably now. I don't know, as soon as I get back. Put this shit together. And I still got a full battery. Check it out. Fuck it, we stuck in there now. Okay, I ain't got no music in here yet. I think some music on? Well, you gotta connect your phone. My phone died. Too easy. It's gonna be Uconnect. Did you see something that says Uconnect? 00. Ah, fuck. Yes. 00000. Here, put it in there. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Oh, it's better. Whatever. Not my phone.